Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel, and today in this video I just like to show you how to fix your Instagram story cannot share on messages. So let's begin on it. So firstly you just need to open on your Instagram application. Now click on the bottom right corner your profile icon, and here you can see this is your Instagram profile. And if you want to share your Instagram story to messages but you cannot do it, so for that how should you do? You just need to click on the top right corner your three line menu bar icon. Now click on settings. Now here you can see go on privacy. Now go on story. Now scroll down, and after scroll down there have an option allow sharing to messages. You need to enable this option, and after that you can share your Instagram story to messages. So I hope you can understand, and hope guys this video can help you. Don't forget to like and subscribe my channel.